Hello, employers. There's a buzz around the EPF stimulus announced recently by the central government, the Atmanirbhar Rozgar Yojana 3.0. This is meant to incentivize job creation. So, let's quickly examine how it will affect you and your employees. First, what is the scheme all about? The central government will provide EPF subsidy for 2 years in respect of new eligible employees engaged on or after the 1st of October 2020 and up to the 30th of June 2021. Second, who will benefit from this scheme? New employees hired with effect from 1st of October 2020 or employees who have lost jobs between 1st of March 2020 and 30th of September 2020 will be eligible for this subsidy for a period of 2 years from the date of eligibility. Third, which establishments will be eligible for the scheme? For organizations with up to 1,000 employees who earn salary up to Rs 15,000 per month and are registered under EPFO, the 12% contribution of the employees and 12% from the employer will be borne entirely by the central government for 2 years. For organizations with more than 1,000 employees who earn salary up to Rs 15,000 per month and are registered under EPFO, the 12% contribution of employees will be borne by the central government for a period of 2 years. Fourth, what are the eligibility criteria? Establishments with less than 50 employees must recruit at least 2 new employees with effect from 1st of October 2020, and establishments with more than 50 employees must employ at least 5 new employees. The month of September 2020 will be considered as the base for the scheme. How will the benefit be claimed? The new candidates who enroll between 1st of October 2020 and till 30th of June 2021 will get the benefits under the scheme for a period of 2 years. Subsidy will be credited upfront in Aadhaar-seeded EPFO accounts of the eligible new employee. Note, the detailed EPF notification and guidelines are awaited. Do you have more questions? Ask Sequel. We are happy to help. Email us at pfdost@sequel.com.